So hi guys, this is the video after they put the flooring in the shower room. So this is it, and then I think next is the tiles. So yeah, they plaster here today. That's one is already a plaster there, and this side too. So you cannot see anymore the line of the pipe where the power point is. So that's the power point there also, and it's already in plaster today. There, see that, but it's still wet, so it's like really messy looking. But yeah, all good today. Finish the flooring. So I think the next tiles on the wall, or maybe the ceilings, or the sliding door, because this one is going to slide this door. So I'm not sure tomorrow what people doing here. So that's the slide, whatever, this one I think, it's not complete part for the sliding door. So this shower toilet with the sliding door here, but I'm not sure if tomorrow they gonna work dry. So yeah, so I will coming back to you when the next tip what's happened here. So yes, it's a bit rough because I know they're going to cars anyway, so maybe that's why like this looks. And then a little bit lower here there, because I know that's going for the water greener. So bit lower for sure, for the water is easy to going down. And I just want to show holding like this.
We're fighting over footage between the channels. The war of the channels.
War channels. Look at this. Finishing the wall.
Get out of my way. It's mine.
This morning now it's already. Wow, the floor is already.
It's mine. My footage. My footage. Get out of my way.
So later guys, after the men's working in here, I will add more video to you. But yeah, I just want to show you the whole, the cement flooring already. Flooring. Alright guys, see you.
That was bad English interrupting my channel. Bad English documentary in bad English filming style.
I'm not talking because he's talking, okay? Copyright my voice, because you know my voice is so far.
It's wonderful. It's the best
no,
voice in the
my
world.
voice is everywhere, so copyright guys.
No one else has got a voice like yours.
Well, this is my husband. And that's him.
It's bad English.
Okay.
Everybody knows bad English.
Alright. Why you follow me? Don't follow me, honey. This is my channel, right? Okay, so this is for today. Day 3. Alright guys, I will show you next time. Day 4, but this is day 3. See you. And don't forget to subscribe in my channel, please. Alright, see you.